Welcome to the AI Signal, Episode 1, your week in review for April 5th, 2026. Let's cut through the noise. First up, Anthropic ships Claude Opus 4. This new frontier model leads on coding, math, and agentic tasks. Extended thinking allows multi-step reasoning chains. Memory and tool use capabilities have been drastically improved. It's available now on Claude.ai and via the API. Next, Google reveals Gemini 2.5 Pro. It features a deep think mode for complex multi-step problem solving. It's natively multimodal, handling text, image, audio, and video in one model. The 1 million token context window is now available to all users, and it powers a completely redesigned Google search experience. In our open source corner, Llama 4 drops. Meta releases Llama 4 Scout and Maverick models. The mixture of experts architecture cuts inference costs by 70%. Benchmarks rival top proprietary models across the board, and community fine-tunes are appearing within 48 hours of release. Quick hits. In other AI news, NVIDIA announces B300 GPUs, targeting AI data centers. The EU AI Act enforcement begins, with fines up to 7% of revenue. Midjourney launches text-to-video in open beta, and Cursor hits 1 million daily users. That's the signal for this week. Subscribe so you never miss an episode. Like, comment, and share. See you next time.